Did you know that according to research, 73% of the food in US grocery stores is considered ultra-processed? So what's your go-to strategy for grocery shopping? I'm Martha Dorr, health coach at PartnerMD in Richmond, Virginia, and this is 6 tips for a healthier grocery run. Tip number 1, shop the perimeter of the grocery store. The perimeter of the grocery store is where we find most of our whole foods that are so important for the building block of our diet. Things like protein, veggies, fruits are all found in this area of the store. It's a great idea to start here before you head into the aisles. Tip number 2, protein with each meal. We are learning more and more about the importance of quality protein in our diet. It's important for maintaining and building muscle, for hormones, skin, hair, nails, even sleep. Making sure we get protein with each meal helps our energy throughout the day and gives us the building blocks to function well. Tip number 3, shop in season. This can be hard with our modern food chains that bring food from so far away, but as much as you can, try and shop in season. Great ways of doing this is exploring your local farmers market or joining a CSA or farm share to really get to know what's in season. Seasonal food tends to have a higher nutritional value and is at its freshest. Things like tomatoes in the summer, squashes in the fall, and here in Virginia, cool season produce like spinach can actually have 2 seasons, in the spring and in the fall. So go explore and enjoy shopping seasonally. Tip number 4, read food labels. This can feel like a bit of a chore, but it is well worth your time to learn to read food labels. Things like protein, fiber, fat, ingredients are all found here. When we walk through the aisles full of boxes and cans and marketing and colors, we want to actually know how to make the choices that set our bodies up for health. Not everything in these aisles is ultra-processed. We have things like olive oil, canned tomatoes, beans, frozen veggies, things that are minimally processed and very healthy. We want to know how to separate that from things with added sugar or emulsifiers, colorings, or sodium that have been linked to chronic disease. So it's well worth your time to learn to read food labels so you can make the choices that you want to make for your body. Tip number 5, create a personal challenge. Learning to cook new foods or new healthy foods can be hard, and it can take some trial and error. Consider setting a personal challenge up for yourself, like, I'm going to bring home a new vegetable I've never tried and learn how to cook it. Or I'm going to explore the grain section and try a new whole or ancient grain full of vitamins and minerals instead of just grabbing that bag of white rice or white bread. Consider setting up a food challenge for yourself and taking it one new food at a time. And this is a great way of setting yourself up for long-term health. Tip number 6, enjoy and get creative. We want to make food choices that nourish our body and set us up for health. We are essentially made up of what we eat. Food is also something to be enjoyed and can be a great way of exploring new cultures, making friends, and serving others. Bring creativity with you into the grocery store. It doesn't have to be boring to be healthy. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. And what tip are you going to take with you on your next grocery run?